When homeowners think about increasing property value, they often picture large-scale renovations like kitchen remodels or room additions. While those upgrades can certainly help, one of the most cost-effective and visually impactful improvements is much simpler: replacing your doors. With professional Door Replacement McLean services, you can enhance curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and make your home more attractive to future buyers, all while enjoying immediate benefits yourself. First impressions start at the front door. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. It sets the tone for the entire property. A worn, outdated, or damaged door can make even a well-maintained house look tired. On the other hand, a modern, stylish entry door instantly boosts curb appeal. In a competitive real estate market like McLean, small visual details can significantly influence buyer perception. A new front door in a bold yet tasteful color, with updated hardware and decorative glass options, creates a welcoming entrance that stands out. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, upgrading your entry door gives your home a refreshed and polished appearance that you'll appreciate every day. Improved energy efficiency means higher value. Today's homebuyers are increasingly focused on energy efficiency. Older doors often allow drafts, air leaks, and temperature fluctuations, leading to higher energy bills and reduced comfort. Professional Door Replacement McLean services ensure proper installation and tight sealing, preventing unwanted air infiltration. Modern doors are designed with advanced insulation materials, energy-efficient cores, and weather-resistant seals. By upgrading, you can lower heating and cooling costs while maintaining a more consistent indoor temperature. Over time, these savings add up, and energy-efficient features are strong selling points that increase overall property value. Enhanced security for peace of mind. Security is another major factor that influences a home's value. Outdated doors with weak frames or worn locking systems can be vulnerable to forced entry. Replacing your doors gives you the opportunity to upgrade to stronger materials such as steel or reinforced fiberglass, along with modern multi-point locking systems. Buyers in McLean appreciate homes that offer safety and peace of mind. A secure, professionally installed door signals that the property has been well cared for and thoughtfully upgraded. Even if you're staying put, the added security is an investment in your family's protection. Interior door upgrades matter too. While entry doors often get the most attention, interior door replacement can also elevate your home's appeal. Replacing hollow core or outdated interior doors with solid core, paneled, or contemporary designs enhances the overall aesthetic. It creates a cohesive, updated look throughout the home. Smoothly operating, properly fitted interior doors also reduce noise transfer between rooms, adding a sense of quality and comfort. These subtle upgrades can leave a strong impression during home showings, contributing to a higher perceived value. Customization to match your home's style. One of the biggest advantages of professional Door Replacement McLean services is the ability to customize. Whether your home has a classic, traditional look or a sleek, modern design, there are door styles, finishes, and hardware options to match. From decorative glass inserts and sidelights to custom stains and contemporary handles, every detail can be tailored to complement your architecture. This personalized approach ensures that the new doors enhance, rather than clash with, your home's existing design. Professional installation makes the difference. Even the highest quality door won't perform well if it's improperly installed. Gaps, misalignment, and poor sealing can undermine both appearance and efficiency. Working with experienced professionals ensures precise measurements, secure fitting, and long-lasting results. Expert installation not only protects your investment but also ensures compliance with local building standards. In a high-value area like McLean, quality workmanship is essential to maintaining and increasing property value. A smart, high-impact investment door replacement is a relatively quick upgrade that delivers immediate visual improvement and long-term financial benefits. It enhances curb appeal, strengthens security, improves energy efficiency, and updates your home's style, all key factors that influence property value. If you're looking for a practical yet powerful way to increase your home's worth, professional Door Replacement McLean services offer a smart solution. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to elevate your living space, a new door can open the way to greater value and lasting satisfaction.